So as we have completed this side kitchen area, and let us start with this banquet cooking section. In this banquet cooking section, these are some electric equipment, that is electric hob, electric tandoor is there, and refrigerator is there. Deep fryer doesn't require any electricity, as well as the cold tandoor doesn't require any electricity. So in this area, in this banquet cooking section, these are some electrical equipment, and we need to give the power supply for this equipment. So I'll copy this three. I'll copy this 3-pin with sockets and give it to the proper location like this. This refrigerator requires one switch and one socket, 3-pin socket. This electric hob required one switch and one socket. This electric tandoor required one switch and socket like this. Now I have copied over here refrigerator, electric hob as well as electric tandoor. One more thing, that in this banquet cooking section, these are the LED lighting. For this LED lighting, we require switch and socket. So at the entry point, we need to give switch and socket like this. One switch and socket for this electric tandoor. Another switch and socket. One socket will be there, and two switches will be there. That is for, one is for lighting like this. This is the cable like this, and this is another cable for the same switch. This switch is for 3-pin. So I have just mentioned over here, or we can connect it like this from here and from here to here. It means I have connected these 3 lighting with a single switch, and another single switch is for electric tandoor, one this switch for this 3-pin socket. So I have completed this banquet cooking section area. Same walk-in cold storage is here. Into this walk-in cold storage, we require a 3-pin as well as the socket and switch. It will be like this. Keep this. There will be 2 switch and 1 socket like this, and this socket is required for this entire walk-in cold storage. Instead of 3-pin socket, we can use the industrial socket for this cold storage area. Here also we required one switch and socket spare for the spare purpose. So we have completed this banquet section area. Now come to the all-day dining kitchen. The all-day dining kitchen has the multiple equipment, but the main electric equipment is the microwave oven, then this electric cooking range, as well as this hob. This hob is electric hob. So we need to highlight this, lay an ISO, lay unlock. So this is what I have just unlocked, and convert this into the layer. To convert this into the layer, we require to select this and highlight this by cyan color, as this is the electric hob. So what we required is, again we require to lock this layer, lay LCK, that is lock the layer, lock the text, and now this is the 17, maximum 17 is here. Let us unlock the layer and add one more electric hop like this. It's an electric hop and the maximum capacity is 2500 watts for the single phase. Now make the layer unlock and convert this layer into electric kitchen equipment like this. And then lock the layer. Now here I can see, so this is a microwave oven K10, then K10 is what? Here it is, microwave oven. K11, 12 are here up to K17. So last is the K17. I will give over here K18, that is electric hob. Again I need to highlight this one. So I need to make unlock this one and need to highlight this bain-marie. Bain-marie is the electric equipment using in the kitchen to prepare the hot food. So convert this into the kitchen layer, electric layer, electric kitchen equipment, and give it to the bi layer. So this bain-marie become the electric equipment, and I want to give the K18, want to give the tag number, that is K19. So here the K19 is the bain-marie. Bain-marie, one number. The capacity for the bain-marie required 3000 watts, a single phase. These are the kitchen equipments into all the dining area. So at the entry point, here is the entry. So I will give the switch and socket like this. Make the group like this main kitchen of LED. These are the 8 numbers LED, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll make the group and convert this into the switches. So here it is, 1 like this. Okay, now I will prepare like this. Again need to prepare like this. So one loop has been completed for one button. And another one is like this. Change the color of this cable. So we have just connected this and we need to change the color of this. Match the color this side like this. So I have just completed the LED lighting wiring of in this stage, and the next is micro oven. So for this microwave oven we require one switch and one socket over here. Then for this electric hob, one switch and one socket requires. For this electric cooking range, one switch and one socket requires. So here I can connect like this directly into the socket. Again, this one will come into the socket. From the microwave oven, this will be directly come to the socket. So these are the wiring connection, power cable connection with the socket as well as the electric equipment. So we have just completed this power cable connection with the switch and socket of electrical equipment.